What up guys, today I'm going to be replacing my PCV valve on my 2010 WRX. Let's do it. Alright, so here's the part number of the PCV valve that I'm going to be using, and it should look like this. Okay, to locate our PCV valve, we actually have to remove our top mount intercooler. But if you look down here, straight down, right where that clip is, underneath that would be your PCV valve. Okay, so to remove the top clamp, I just loosened up my clamp and hooked my vacuum lines, this bolt, and 2 bolts on the turbo side. And then you pull the top mount intercooler off. Just like that. Bam! Set it aside. Okay, now that our top mount is off, we can get a better look at where, if you can see that right there, that green stripe is our PVC valve that we need to replace. So we need to undo a whole bunch of things, a few connectors, and a few vacuum lines. Then we'll get to it. Okay, let's go. So it was a little bit of a pain to get these out. There's a clamp here and a clamp there, and the clamps look like these. So I just had to release the tension on that corner to be able to pull them out. So now I'm gonna do the same on this one, and I'll be able to pull this off. All right, so here's the old one, and here's the new one. The old one, if you shake it, it's supposed to make a rattling noise. And here's the new one. Let's focus here. I don't know if you could hear that. So here's the new one installed. To install these back together, to install these clips, you just got to make sure to squeeze these two together. I don't know if you can see that. Squeeze them together here with your pliers, and then it should lock right back in.
3 hours later.
Alright, everything's back together. Everything was fairly easy except for putting that back clamp right there, like at the bottom. I would recommend you guys probably use a long straight needle nose pliers, because I struggled with that because I didn't have that. Anyways, yeah, time to put it back together. Let's go. So there we go, I was able to install my new PCV valve. Like I said, just make sure you guys have like a nice long straight needle nose pliers. It'll make the job a lot easier. I struggled a little bit on that one. Hopefully this video helped out a little bit. And if you're gonna do these ones, good luck. I'm sure you can do it. Have a good one.